All right, today we're going to unbox the Microsoft Surface laptop. Just arrived, ordered it from Best Buy. Went into the Best Buy, and the representative was very helpful. Helped me find this computer. Basically, as you can see here, it is a 32 gigabyte, 1 terabyte, 32 gigabyte of RAM, 1 terabyte hard drive. It's the 7th edition. I guess this is supposed to be Microsoft's greatest flagship computer, my understanding. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this and see what this looks like. Looks like there's some tabs here. I'm gonna take those off. It looks like that releases the box. So let's see what we got here. Got a nice presentation for the computer. And so you can see here we have the actual computer. It's wrapped very nicely. So again, remove that, remove those tabs. And then you can see here you have the Microsoft symbol on the computer itself. Right? It's a Microsoft computer. So very interesting. Let's see, within the box, of course, you get your, compact power cables for powering up the device if you're using it as a laptop. I like to dock it at a docking station, but for the purposes of traveling and being portable, definitely the plug, as you know, is, and it has a USB charging port within the plug itself. So that would be helpful if I'm at a, traveling at a hotel, or I am somewhere that, where, I need the additional power cable. And if I have any other items that I want to, you can see the actual charging cable is not a plug, but it's something that you just put next to the computer and it charges it. So you don't actually have to plug in. And so it looks like, that's pretty much what you get, right? Which is what I purchased. Let's see, is there anything in here that's of value? They give you some stickers, some information, some basic, I'm sure warranty, things of that nature. But yeah, so that is the computer itself. If I open it up here, and you can see, you have the monitor. I don't believe it's got charge in the battery at this point, but that's the computer. You see the keyboard, basically what it looks like. Actually, it's powering up, so it looks like there is some power in that battery. So we're gonna go ahead and let that load up, see what that looks like on startup. So you get to see it right out of the box. Looks like it's taking a moment. So I don't know if you've heard of the Microsoft Surface laptop. Definitely interested in your comments and what you think about it so far. I'm definitely excited to get into this. They said basically that, this computer, you can do an HP, Lenovo. There's different, computer brands out there, but they all use Microsoft Windows and have Microsoft systems installed. This one is a Microsoft computer with Microsoft. So they, like Apple, let's say, or Google, this one has everything already installed within it. So this is supposed to be minimized in terms of all the fluff you get in all the other computers. So I'm definitely excited. Let me know your thoughts and comments.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter.
Right,
For more accessibility features, press Windows plus.
So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. Of course, there's gonna be some personal items probably involved in the process, but I'm gonna go ahead and click some buttons. But yeah, you get the idea. Let me know what your thoughts are if you've used this type of computer in the past. I'm definitely interested to know what you think. Is this keyboard US computer? Yes. So basic setup so far. got to set up on our network, all that good stuff. So hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts, your comments so far. Looks pretty clean. Screen looks really nice. Very sleek design. So far so good. So far happy with the purchase. Presentation was amazing. Enjoyed it. Again, let me know your thoughts in the comment. Hit like and subscribe. We'll give you some more videos like these if you're interested. Have a good one. Thank you.